You can tell that I'm in Lithuania, judging by the beautiful Soviet architecture like that building. I am extremely hungover. Went to a black metal show last night at a club called Lemmy, after Lemmy from Motorhead. And now I'm gonna walk around the old town of Kaunas, Lithuania. Very haunted forest park over there. And hopefully don't die, because I am feeling like death right now. I drank a $2 Mickey of Lithuanian vodka, and then a whole bunch of 7% local beers. And then I had a flaming shot with the drummer for one of the bands. Ordered the shot, and then they lit it on fire, and I was like, did not realize that was going to be a flaming shot. So yeah, that happened, and now I'm paying the price. Should be good content though. Was just walking around looking at my phone, and I turned and looked to the left, and I saw this big church on the street. So let's go look at this bad boy that's under construction. They compensate for their manhood in Lithuania as well, apparently. I guess it's supposed to be under construction because it's all peeling and stuff on those columns, so kind of in disrepair. Pretty impressive church nonetheless. It's got this cool jungle gym thing in front of it. Not bad. Very cold Baltic wind hitting me. Nice. This is the main drag through Old Town Kaunas. And just like Vilnius, there's construction seemingly everywhere. So, guess it's just a Lithuanian thing. I don't know, because I literally know nothing about Lithuania. So, it's a cool building, cool church up on that hill there. Looks like a skyscraper. Well, it would probably be a pretty nice town if all the construction was done. Because right now, even the benches are still shrink wrapped. So, love walking along construction fences. Whole reason to travel. So, even the buildings are shrink wrapped in Kaunas, Lithuania. Finally out of construction though, it looks like, so that's a good sign. Cool, more construction, so it's just great. Kinda dead in Kaunas, Lithuania. Stuffed animals. Alright, it's starting to feel more like an actual old town over here. Still pretty dead. Also definitely walking in the bike lane, so I'm that guy. Presidential Palace of the Republic of Lithuania in Kaunas. Imagine having a second White House in Boston or Mar-a-Lago. See these pretty common. Over here, underground passage across the street. Strollers and bicycles. kind of a cool violin fiddle thing. Only kicked that guy 25 cents, but it's killing it. You know, if you're gonna ask for money, at least do something. Don't just sit there. Now we're up on the other side. More shrink wrap. This time on a fence. A vape lounge. Interesting concept. You know, cigar lounges, you just kind of picture fancy old bankers sitting around, smoking expensive cigars, talking about stocks. I feel like with a vape lounge, it's probably just guys wearing Fox racing hats, sitting around in a circle talking about their drift cars. Their rigs, blowing chunky clouds, fat cotton. It's a cool brick building right next to another saran wrap building. Still don't know why they don't make statues that smile. Big brick church. Town square. Big church right in front. A couple of churches actually. Never seen a tangerine church. See, this is my kind of statue right here. That last statue was so somber, so stone-faced. This guy looks like he's just chilling. Big pimpin'. She's got a GoPro too. Got the wrapping on this building. Instead of saran wrap, it's like canvas. It looks like it's windows and stuff. It's kind of cool. Definitely looks better than all the shrink wrap buildings around here. This is the Kaunas castle on the far end of Old Town. I'm gonna walk around here and then I'm gonna go back and take a nap because I am tired and hungover. Hashtag Kaunas. Nice to see the hashtag symbol making its way into tourist signs. This is a pretty sweet statue. Not really much left of the castle. It's just kind of this big building surrounded by a moat and walls. So another big brick church down there. And even older walls right there. I guess it goes underground. Looks very Soviet on the other side of the river there. Anyway, I think that's going to conclude this. I could really use a nap and some seltzer water. So what would I rate Kaunas, Lithuania? I'd say if it wasn't under so much construction and I wasn't so hungover, it wasn't so bitterly cold, it's slightly raining, probably a pretty nice place in the summer. But judging on how it is right now, I'd probably rate Kaunas 3 out of 6 boxes of saran wrap. One-ton kettlebell, lightweight. See Joe Rogan try and swing that around.